Rich, and today we're making a tuxedo pillow. Just something to pump up the volume in any room that you put this pillow in. Now, of course, when you're sewing anything, you need a pattern, and we've talked about the pattern, but now we're talking about the fabric. You can really pick out any fabric you like, but I think silk always really works well, and I like working with a raw silk. So as you see, I've cut out my 20 by 8 inch silk piece from my pattern, right? That's what the pattern I'm using is 20 by 8. Now, you've got to cut out 2 pieces. You always have a front and a back. Now, when you're working with fabric that's really thin like this, you want to always make sure you line it. Now, linings come in a number of different weights. I picked a very light cotton lining to go over my silk. But if you're using like a canvas fabric, you don't really need to line it. If you're using something very, very heavy, like a velvet, you want something to stabilize the velvet. And if you're in doubt about what type of lining to use, always ask your employee at the fabric store because she'll be able to help you. But the most important thing is to know that by using a lining, it's going to give that fabric some stability and it's going to make it look a lot more expensive. Lining itself is not expensive, it's really inexpensive. Now when we come back, we're going to show you how to pin this lining together, and then from pinning, we're going to finally get to the sewing of that fabric. So don't go away, come back.